Alright, this is the Chilkey ND75 and I'm going to show you how to take it apart. You push down on 2 keys, then another 2 keys to get the top. Don't use too much force. Then you just pull this, you take it down slowly. You don't want the screen connector to disconnect. If it does, it's not the end of the world. You can just reconnect it. It's just easier if you don't. And then you could pick up the keyboard. You see there's a magnetic connector right here, so when you put it back, you should make sure it lines up. Then you put it back in the case. Right here is where you would put the silicone gel mount. Right here are the O-ring mounts, and let me show you where. And when you put it in, right here would be the screws for the top mount. So now let's put it back together. Always make sure the connector clips in, and take the top, push it back in like that, and it's back together, and now you can switch your mounting modes.